start recording. All right. The court is calling cause number 2015 DCM 7051. This is a hearing on a motion to, or a petition to confirm the non-agreed child support review order that apparently was done in the Attorney General's office back in March of this year. It is entitled a model. The parties in this case are Victor Arellano, who is present. I think I've lost him.
I think he dropped out.
He was here. Let me make sure. All right, let me see if I can send him to join us back in the. Okay, well, let me see if he joins us again. Okay, and the other party is Ali Rubio. Mr. Arellano being represented by the Honorable Judge Marlene Gonzalez, who is present in court also. My name is Antonio Rodriguez. I am the Associate Judge for the Title 4D Court. I see Mr. Arellano now. Back with us, Mr. Arellano. I see you now.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, my name is Antonio Rodriguez. We are proceeding at this time on the basis of a Zoom application because due to the pandemic crisis that's going on, the Supreme Court of the State of Texas and the Council of Judges, as the Office of Court Administration, have allowed courts to conduct remote hearings. And that's why we're appearing on this basis in a Zoom situation. I'll ask parties not to talk over each other, one person talking at one time, because sometimes the audio tends to go out for a while. And if that should happen, you can just go ahead and sign back in like Mr. Arellano just did right now. This matter is being live streamed through a YouTube channel. That is to permit in compliance with the Texas rules of open courts. However, as soon as we're finished with this hearing, that channel will be taken off and YouTube will no longer be functioning. I am recording the evidence in this matter. No other person is allowed to record the transfer of this matter. To do so could hold you in contempt of court for doing so. All right. Those are the basic ground rules in this case. At this point in time, I'm going to ask the counsel to identify themselves and make an announcement on this case, starting with the Attorney General.
Douglas Knaut for the Office of the Attorney General, ready to proceed in this matter.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Marlene Gonzalez representing Mr. Ayala and Arellano. Victor, I'm ready, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, if I can have Mr. Arellano and Ms. Rubio, would you please raise your right hands, please, so I can swear you in? You and each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony that you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Both answers in the affirmative. All right, Mr. Knaut, this is a non-agreed child support review order based on modification that was done in the Attorney General's office. That's the matter before the court today. So, counsel, if you will go ahead and present your case.
Yes, sir. State would like to call Mr. Victor Arellano. Sir, could you please state your name for the court?
Yes, Victor Miguel Arellano.
And what is the name of your child before the court today?
Jarrell Karim Arellano.
How old are they?
He's 7.
Do you have any other biologic children under the age of 18 besides this one?
No, sir.
Where are you working right now, Mr. Arellano?
I am an agent with the U.S. Border Patrol, sir.
And how much are you making monthly with them?
Take home about 4,200.
And what is your gross rate of pay on a monthly basis?
I don't have that information with me, sir. If you could give me a second, I could get it.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Give me 1 second.
Apologies for the delay, Your Honor. The wage documentation that I have on file is out of date. If he's got an up-to-date pay stub for us, I think that can clear up a lot of the issues regarding the calculation.
You know what, sir? I believe I gave all my pay stubs to my attorney's legal aid.
That's correct, Your Honor. I have here, the basis of these processes that the calculation that the Attorney General's made in the non-agree are incorrect. My client is capped. According to what I have in front of me, that Attorney General has same copies. You know, my client makes about 12,000 gross a month. And according to guidelines, Judge, I think that we should take in 9,200 because he's capped. And I don't believe that calculation was done, and that's the basis for this hearing. And I wanted to talk to the Attorney General before starting this hearing, but due to the process of the Zoom and all of that, I was not able to. If he reviews the numbers and the new cap for people that makes in excess of 12,357, he'll see that this gentleman is capped. So the calculations are incorrect. Besides, they didn't even consider his union dues and other required deductions that are necessary in this case, Your Honor.
Well, Your Honor, it sounds like we've got a bit of document exchange that may need to happen before we can proceed. I beg the court's forgiveness, but can I ask for a brief reset on this matter so Ms. Gonzalez and I can kind of compare notes with this updated wage information?
That's okay with me, Judge. I don't know if you allow that.
Do you want the parties in that breakout room or just council?
If we can have everybody in together so we're all looking at the same numbers.
That's fine with me, Judge. I would happy with that.
Okay, I think I moved you all into breakout room number 3.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Join breakout room number 3. Okay.
Okay.
And there you go. I had joined Mr. Kanath over there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, I think everybody should be there. Ms. Rubio, you need to join breakout room number 3.
Yes, but I haven't been invited to.
Let me see. Okay. All right. I see it.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, everybody's gone.
I think Joe was looking for the CP on his CP for the case, Judge.
Okay, hold on a second.
Okay.
Let me stop recording. Okay. Okay, what are we looking for?
Joe was looking for the CP.